Hello Pisces, Sun, Moon Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment po kung naka-resonate kayo. Thank you. So, we have 8 of Cups. Ayan. So, parang aalis kayo. You're turning your back, no? From something or from someone. No? Depende yan sa inyong sitwasyon. Pwedeng bagay, tao, situation ang tatalikuran ninyo dito. But tatalikuran ninyo to kasi hindi na to yung lugar mo. You know, this is no longer your place. This is no longer where you belong. Yun ang nararamdaman ninyo. No, nakikita nyo na parang, teka lang, parang useless na ako rito. Diba? Sayang ng ano ko, ng oras ko, sayang ng mga talento ko, gifts ko, skills ko. Kasi baka hindi mo na to magagawa. No, there's no room there for growth anymore. There's no room for advancement. Parang sikip ka na sa sitwasyon mo. Parang parang nakapaloob ka na lang sa isang matchbox, no? At parang hanggang doon na lang yung pwede mong gawin, no? Pero alam mo na marami ka pang magagawa. Alam mong marami ka pang pwedeng ibuga. Marami ka pang ibubuga. Yung ganun, no? So, what you're going to decide here is to move on from that. Diba? Kasi alam mo na marami ka pang pwedeng gawin para makatulong pa sa iba. 'Di ba? Marami ka pang pwedeng gawin para ikakabuti ng buhay mo, kakabuti ng mga loved ones mo, at marami ka pang pwedeng gawin para makatulong sa ibang tao, no? And that is what you want to do right now. So we have the star. Wow. So you will be illuminated the path towards kung saan man kayo papunta, no? Kung saan man kayo gustong tumungo, ano man ang gusto ninyong maging mapuntahan, no? That will be illuminated for you. The path that you need to tread right now will be illuminated for you by the universe. Kaya napakaganda. So, parang you're being called here, no? To tread towards a new path. 'Di ba? Parang divinely orchestrated ito. You know? Parang talagang sadyang ganito na ang nararamdaman ninyo because you're being called now to do something else, no? Maybe kung saan kayo papunta rito will be the place where you need to be at this time. So, feeling ko, this is destiny, Pisces. No, this is destiny. You're being aligned by the universe dito with your destiny. Kaya, parang papailawan niya yung path kung saan kayo dapat pumunta because it is about time na para mapunta ka na sa lugar na ito, no, or mapunta ka na sa sitwasyon na ito, no. So parang ganoon. Wishes also, no, may come to fruition sa ngayon, Pisces. So good luck. We have 5 of swords. Wow. So siguro dito meron internal conflict. Pwedeng conflict ito within you, no? Pwedeng conflict ito within you. Baka sa una, no, baka ito yung nararamdaman ninyo. Kaya kayo, before you make a decision na umalis sa sitwasyon na to, baka naguguluhan din kayo sa sarili ninyo. 'Di ba? Alam niyo na hindi na 'to para sa iyo, alam niyo hindi na 'to yung lugar ninyo, hindi na kayo masaya rito. So, pwedeng within yourself naguguluhan kayo. Should I stay or should I go? Diba? Should I stay or should I go? But with the help of the universe, no, you will be given enlightenment. You will be given yung parang tatawagin ka niya, no, para gawin mo na to, na mag-move on ka na from that. Kaya siguro makakawala din kayo dyan, no, sa conflict na yan, sa internal conflict na yan. Kaya nga, magkakaroon na kayo ng decision na umalis na, no, na lumarga na, kumbaga, at iwanan mo na kung ano man ang sitwasyon na yan. So, what else? So, we have partnership. Learn to grow with others, overcome obstacles by working together, touch each other's hearts while life lasts. And so, learn to grow with others, Pisces. Maybe feeling ko dito baka nasanay kayo na you are all by yourself. Maybe you are also nasanay kayo na solo, you're working solo, or nasanay kayo na kayo lang mag-isa, no? You are trying to survive life all by on your own, no? Parang ganon. Pero ngayon siguro meron mga taong dadating sa buhay ninyo. There are opportunities dito that you will be working as well, no? Collaborating with other people. Pwedeng meron din dito kayo mga bagong kaibigan na pwedeng dumating, you're making new friends, parang ganon. So you are going to learn dito to work with other people, na to do things with other people, yung ganon. So definitely merong collaboration. What else? We have action. Wow. So stop hesitating. Movement creates the magic. Nothing can hold you back. Okay? So wag na kayo may dalawang isip. Okay? Do not hesitate. Do not hesitate. Do not procrastinate. Okay? Now is the time for you to take action. Now is the time for you to move. Diba? Confidently. Okay? Alalahanin ninyo lagi na lahat tayo, we are all given the talents, the skills, the gifts, 'di ba? Na na makakatulong sa atin, 'di ba? Makuha natin yung mga pangarap natin, mag-come to fruition yung mga goals natin, yung ganon, no? So, what else? We have union. Ayan, may partnership, may union. So, definitely, meron talaga ditong collaboration na magaganap. You are definitely going to work with a team dito, no? At sabi dito, you have seen and unseen allies, diba? Hindi lang yung mga tao sa paligid ninyo, sa physical realm, ang pwede ninyong makatulong sa mga bagay-bagay, sa mga sitwasyon ninyo, but also the unseen allies. Si God, yung angels ninyo, yung spirit guides ninyo, ancestors ninyo, the spirit team, diba? Maaasahan mo din sila when you need help. So, sabi dito, draw upon their strength, join forces with friends and flourish. Ayan. So, definitely, may mga bagong friendly relationships kayo, no, napapasukin sa kayon. There are new people coming in sa buhay ninyo at yan ay mga magiging kaibigan ninyo, magiging kapartner ninyo, magiging kasama ninyo. Choosing your path, all is possible. Okay? All is possible. Napakaganda kasi yung may opportunities na pwedeng dumating sa buhay ninyo, this is not just one. No, hindi lang ito isang oportunidad na parang ito lang, wala ka ng pagpipilian, 'di ba? But hindi ganoon. The divine universe is going to send you more than that, no? Kaya nga pinapapili kayo kung ano yung patantatahakin ninyo. But regardless, no, kung ano man ang pipiliin ninyo rito, you are still going to be in alignment with your destiny rito, no? Binibigyan kayo rito ng liberty to choose, the liberty to make your own decision. So, embracing enthusiasm, shout to the heavens with happiness. Okay? So, maging masaya ka. Alright? Maging masaya ka, maging enthusiastic ka, yun ang mararamdaman mo. Yun ang mga magiging ganap sa buhay mo sa ngayon. Okay? And maybe because there are so many blessings na pwedeng dumating sa'yo na talagang ikakasaya mo, ikakatuwa mo, yung ganun. No? So, what else? We have transformation, no? And there are so many things that coming towards you na makakapagbabago ng iyong sitwasyon. There are so many things coming your way that will lead you to change, no, the course of your life. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.